Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by setting clean levels, because radio character comes from controlled dynamics and focused bandwidth. First, import a 24-bit mix at 44, 1 or 48 kHz, then high pass around 60 to 120 Hz to eliminate subrumble and make room. Next, use a fast attack/medium release compressor at roughly 2, 1 to 4, 1, aiming for 3 to 6 dB of gain reduction to glue vocal and instruments. Once done, make sure peaks sit below 0 dBFS for safe headroom. Now you shape tone and stereo to emulate that classic radio sheen. Boost presence between 1 and 5 kHz to push vocals forward. Cut 200 to 400 Hz to remove muddiness. Add harmonic excitement via tape or tube saturation with subtle drive. Think 1 to 3% harmonic content, because it adds perceived loudness and warmth. For stereo, use mid/side processing. Keep lows mono and gently widen upper mids and highs so the mix reads consistent on mono radio while sounding spacious on stereo. Finish by controlling overall dynamics and loudness. This is where radio polish appears. Use a gentle multiband or bus compressor to tame harsh frequency bands with 1 to 3 dB of reduction. Then drive a brickwall limiter to reach roughly -9 to -6 LUFS integrated depending on style. This keeps it loud without pumping. Check mono compatibility, and if phase issues arise, reduce stereo width or realign problematic tracks. If reverb blurs clarity, dial it back or shorten pre-delay to restore intelligibility.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.